So, performance report. Um, the experience bar here will show us various bits of layout shift. And what you're looking for here are the larger numbers, not in this cumulative layout score, in this score here. So 0.009, it's not a big layout shift. We need to be concentrating on scores like this, really. That, whilst the others might add up to a lot, the first port of call really is to dig into the bigger numbers. So 0.1 is actually pretty big. 0.02, not so much. Smaller ones. So this one seems to be the biggest that I've got currently on the screen. And it's talking about, when you hover over it, you can see where it's moved from. So location 00, so right at the top in the corner, to location 070. So it's being shoved down, and you can see pretty much that that's going to be this £10 off banner that comes in above it. So quite often, you can look into areas like this, the frames, and you can see, okay, that's all started up at the top, and is now being shoved down by that banner. So that's quite an easy look into and say, right, this is one of your bigger issues. Can you fix that first, and then we can go back and we can start looking into other elements. A nice easy one there. Quite a few of the layout shifts are probably to do with things like text and so on, but look for those big wins first before it starts getting really messy. It will say the related nodes, so that's you click on that, it's this page wrapper, but it doesn't actually necessarily show you what is impacting on that particular node. Another example here we've switch to, a bit harder to identify, except when you see the scrolling image, it's this text below it that is of different lengths. So as that scrolls, we then this div text image here actually moves up and down. So it's this bit of text underneath everything else in that carousel. So that carousel is actually seemingly influencing some layout shift